Not gonna be very long because I am ready to start drinking and enjoying my beverage. Let's get started. So I have some nice cold coffee in here already, and I'm pouring in 1 cup. And of course I'm gonna throw in a little bit of sugar. Dropping in a 1/2 cup of milk. Yum. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. All right. Now, you know guys, Easter just went, and I have a little bit of chocolate remaining, and why not drop it on in? Yum. Gonna break that up a little bit. So I'm gonna use 2 packs of Kit Kat. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. All right. And I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now you know you are working with a beast of a machine when you can blend peanut butter and it does not get stuck at the bottom. If you would like for me to leave a video, to make a video of how I clean this blender when I'm done, just leave it in the comment below, because this machine is a beast. It is so easy to clean afterwards. So just let me know in the comments. And the last thing I'm gonna drop in here is my ice. I'm gonna have about a 1/2 cup, about a 1.5 cups of ice. And I don't want this to splatter on me. So let's kind of, there we go. And I don't even think I need this part of that. It's time to blend this thing up. Oh my gosh, guys. This looks delish. Okay, let's get ready to pour this bad boy up. Yum. And let's give it a little scoop of a little bit of Cool Whip. Bam! Let's taste. I need a straw. I'm gonna get a little festive now. Let's see. Got a little straw going on. Let's taste. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Guys, Starbucks don't have anything on me. This thing is amazing. You've got to give this a try. I'm telling you, you've got to give this a try. That's it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments if you would like for me to come to you with more videos like this, because I really enjoyed making this chocolate peanut butter iced coffee. This was delicious. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Smooches until next time. Mwah, mwah.